Okay, hello everyone, it's Gavin Birchall here again. Hope you've had a great holiday season, hope you've enjoyed it. Now, I haven't shot a video for a few days, obviously, because been enjoying the festivities. So that's the main reasons for my recent absence. But I'm back now and firing on all cylinders, looking forward to 2018, hope you are too. And especially everything in the crypto world as well. So let's begin by looking at the cryptocurrency charts. Let's start with Ethereum because this video is all about Ethereum, Litecoin and Bitcoin of course. So let's check those out first. So like I say, we have had recent slumps in Ethereum, Bitcoin and Litecoin as well. I'm investing in all three of the coins, the cryptocurrency coins. So there's been some scaremongering around, so I thought I'd settle a few nerves if you're actually invested or you're looking to invest in cryptocurrencies in any of these three cryptos. So, I mean, the main thing is that what we've seen recently in all three of these coins is this massively overstretched increase and spike in price. So I did say actually after this, I did expect it to slow down, which it did, and then it shot up again. This is Ethereum we're talking about now. So we've had an absolutely huge spike, a pause, and then another massive spike. And then now it's a recent slump, and now it seems to be going sideways more than anything else. And like I say, I did expect this. You cannot expect something to keep going up like this in price. It's just not healthy. And here's the thing, I'm actually glad that this has happened to all three coins. So let's have a look at Litecoin and then we'll finish off with Bitcoin as well. So we're looking at Litecoin now. Litecoin has suffered the most out of the three, I think, to be honest. But Bitcoin has had I mean, if Bitcoin drops just a few percent, then that's going to be bigger because it's currently into the tens of thousands. So obviously, the bigger the drop it's going to be. But I mean, in terms of the actual looking at the diagram here, looking at the charts, Litecoin does look like it's suffered the most. So again, since let's have a look here, since the 7th of December, it is almost 5 to 6 times its current price of that date within just a week or so. So I mean, again, look at this huge spike here for Litecoin. Again, it just cannot keep doing that. So again, I did say I expected a pause or a bit of a slump, and that has happened. It's gone down, it's come right back up again, reached a new high, and then bang, a big slump, and it has carried on doing so. But I mean, even now, if you invested all the way back here, you're still looking at a huge profit for whatever you put in. I mean, at the end of the day, what people have done here, as soon as this has happened, they've sold their position. The short-term traders have sold their position here and made the money, and that's fair enough. And then people have bought again, watched it rise, and then sold again. Sold their position from this profit here and sold here, and that's why it's gone down again. So now I think what I'm seeing here now is the short-term traders just basically trading off. They're trying to make these shorter term gains. We're just going to see this sideways trend for a while now, I think. And then 2018, we'll start to see it rise again, I should think. So look at Bitcoin as well, compared to the US dollar. I mean, again, we know Bitcoin has had a massive ride up in the past few months. Again, look, I mean, I did say in another video, in a past video, that Litecoin and Ethereum seem to mirror Bitcoin. So I know we looked at those two first, so we should have looked at Bitcoin first. But anyway, as you can see, this huge spike upwards, a little drop, people have sold their position here, and then another huge rise up. And we almost touched the 20,000 mark, and I did a video on that as well. Will it touch 20,000 by the end of 2017? It almost did, and we've seen this massive slump recently, and again it's going sideways at the moment. So if you want to kind of get a feel for what the other coins are going to do, then come over to Bitcoin, have a look at that, and like especially Ethereum and Litecoin, they seem to mirror what Bitcoin is doing. So we've got this sideways at the moment, sideways trend, and once we break this one here, this barrier here, I expect it to start trending up again. But another important point I wanted to make is, of course, people are starting to scaremonger a little bit, saying that, is Bitcoin going to drop back to zero, and all these silly little mind games and everything that people like to come out with. For me, this is a good thing for Bitcoin especially. It's had a few tests, and it's passed the test from when it slumped here, and now it's having a little test, and it's having a little rest, I suppose. A huge run up here, it's just not healthy for it to keep doing that. What goes up must come down. So this is healthy for the markets. It's great in my point of view. Even better for you to get in now into Bitcoin, simply because it's a lot cheaper now than it is all the way up here. You can obviously mine Bitcoin as well, and as the value of Bitcoin rises, obviously the more wealthy you can be from that Bitcoin. And check out the links below this video in the description. All the links are there, and check out my past videos as well. Show you how to start earning profits from these cryptocurrencies. Step-by-step instructions will show you how to get started in Bitcoin especially, and the other cryptos as well. How to earn 1 to 2% every single day via Bitconnect. How to invest in your first cryptos via Coinbase, and how to, like I've just mentioned, mine Bitcoin for profits over at Hashflare. All those links are in the description below. And like I say, if you want to get started, all the videos on this channel are all there to help you step by step on everything. And basically you can just follow along on my journey as I'm progressing, and just copy what I do, and of course invest with what you can afford to lose. Don't over invest. Just invest. You can start with the littlest of amounts, and of course you can still get $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you invest via my Coinbase link below in the description. So just before we move on, I just wanted to mention a common question that I get is, obviously if you're using a buy and hold strategy, which I'm doing as well, I am tinkering with the short-term investing strategy as well. But if you simply want to put some of your spare money, your investable money, into something like Bitcoin, and you just want to leave it there, and of course as soon as it rises again, you're going to make a certain profit on that original investment, then of course if it does come down, then obviously you're going to want to hedge against that loss, so you don't obviously lose all your money. So that is one of the common questions I keep getting. How do I make sure that I don't just rely on the buy and hold strategy? Well, the way that I'm doing it now is I'm mining Bitcoin as well over at Hashflare, which I've just recently mentioned, but I'm also using a site called Bitconnect, where basically you lend out your current Bitcoin via Coinbase, or wherever you're storing that Bitcoin. You lend out that Bitcoin to Bitconnect, and their trading bots go out and trade on these marketplaces with Bitcoin, with a Bitcoin that you lend out, and you get to earn 1 to 2% every single day on whatever amount of Bitcoin that you have lent out to those trading bots. And the great thing is, when these markets come down, when the Bitcoin value has been coming down and been a bit volatile, those 1 to 2% gains are at their highest. So this is how you hedge against the market coming down for Bitcoin. When it comes down, you get to make even more money via 'So here is the site right now. What I'll do, I'll log in, and then I'll show you the daily gains that you can also earn and the ones that I'm currently earning as well. So let's go and log in, and then we'll take a look at that right now. Okay, so here we are in my Bitconnect account right now. I'm currently earning around $20 to $30 per day. We're at $15.52 right now for the day. And basically, the more you reinvest at different times of the day, then you'll earn that profit on that reinvestment on whatever time you reinvested in. So there's still a fair way to go for today. But today is a low trading day, simply because if we go back to the chart, Bitcoin is having an up day. See that green bar here for today? When it has an up day, then over at Bitconnect, it doesn't perform as well. So that's why I'm saying, if you're buying and holding and the price comes down, as you can see in the red bars here, then over here you'll have a better day. So it's a great way to make profits no matter what the markets do. So let's have a look at the history of my earnings, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So let's just get rid of this here. Come over here to lending wallet. As we can see here today, I did say 1 to 2% every day on whatever you lend out to the trading bots. And if you have a look here, we're only on 0.05% for today. So if we scroll down a little bit, yesterday was 0.97. So as you can see, that was a better day. So if we go back to the chart, so yesterday, see this down day here, it slumped to round about, let's go, 14,464, and that meant that I had a 0.97 day over at Bitconnect. So we go on page 2. So the day before that, it was 0.97, or was that, let's have a look, 28, no, it's still 28th, 27th, 0.04. So what I can gather from that is, yeah, it ended at a down day, but if you see this thin spike, it would have started off as a good day. So that's why Bitconnect has picked up on that, and it was a 0.04. So whatever you put back in, these here, you will earn on that particular time you reinvested back in. So we go to page 3. So that was a 0.48%, and let's just have a look. So yeah, so a good day. So that wasn't obviously as good here again, but if we go to page 4, see here, these are much better days. So what we're looking at here is these, if we can actually go back a few more days in that, it was probably this day here. Let's just get rid of that. It's asking me to sign in, so let's just get rid of that a second. So anyway, whenever the down days are, these percentages here at Bitconnect are going to be a lot higher. So 1.20%, I mean, look at the returns on this, $11 there, $2.28, and then all these others as well. So as you can see, this here is the amount that I've reinvested. These are actual amounts that I've reinvested in myself. And then these $10 reinvest and $20 reinvest are from the interest that I've earned off Bitconnect. So a great way to earn a percentage on whatever you invest in terms of your Bitcoin investment. Really simple. Again, check out the past videos. It shows you how to set this up step by step, and the links again are below to join Bitconnect, so you can start earning these 1 to 2% daily gains. and how to set everything up, how to transfer your Bitcoin over to here from Coinbase, how to join Coinbase and Hashflare, all in the videos via my channel. So go and check those out as well. So I just wanted to show you these daily gains, just so you know that it works. And if we go back to the main dashboard, total investment so far, and then total earned, but this total earned isn't from this amount, it's from the smaller investments that I made at the beginning. So this will begin to rise rapidly now, simply because I'm on $20 to $30 per day. I do plan on making another investment as well. I'm really happy with Bitconnect. It keeps delivering results, so I'm more than happy to invest a little bit more. And I'll be updating you on this as well, of course, as we progress. My target is to get to $100 a day. So once we do that, obviously I'll shoot another video. But I'll be shooting videos on top of that as well. And as I continue to reinvest, this pot of money is just going to grow and grow and grow. And these daily profits are going to grow alongside that. So again, thanks for watching. Check out all the links below this video in the description to join Coinbase and get $10 worth of free Bitcoin, to join Bitconnect, which is a site that we're on now, and to join Hashflare, where you can mine Bitcoin. And as the value of Bitcoin continues to rise in 2018 and beyond, the more Bitcoin that you can mine via Hashflare, the more profits and value that Bitcoin that you're mining right now is going to have. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you found this video useful. And remember, it's really easy to get started into the cryptos. Just check out my videos again via my channel, my past videos. And any questions, fire them below. Any comments are always appreciated as well. Feel free to subscribe so you can follow along on my journey. And remember to click that bell to get an instant notification of any future videos that I release. And chuck a like on this video if you found it useful as well. Would be really appreciated. Again, thanks for watching. Great having you here today. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.